I'm sure. Grand, how's it? Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba namhlanje ngikubonile. I don't speak Zulu but I'm trying just because of you. How are you?
Awuzame ngizwa ngizame ngizwa.
Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba namhlanje ngikubonile.
Hayi kubonga mina mngani wami ngiyabonga mfethu.
Ngibonga wena. Ngize lapha ngiphuma eVenda eLimpopo. Wakwazi eVenda?
Venda, oh yes,
Have you been there?
I've performed in Venda before. Yeah, ngikwazi kahle, I know it very well.
I don't know if you know this, but the people have got mad love for you in Venda. Mad love.
Oh, I know. Every time when I go there, people go crazy, people go mad.
That's awesome, fantastic. Thanks for seeing you, Tlatla Mshunqisi. I am very honored to meet you. Have you seen anything that you can say has been the highlight for you today, or you still expecting more and more?
I've just arrived, but the beauty of the people have amazed me.
Before I leave you, can you just shepherd me with that voice?
Oh, shop.
Say-